Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. Capricorn, if you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, Capricorn, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Seven of Moons, Page of Suns, and Eight of Stars in reverse. So in your circumstances today, guys, Capricorn, it may be in your career or it may be in your relationship today, guys. Maybe you are seeing some some obstacles, delays in your work situation, Capricorn. You are someone responsible, guys, devoted, so you do things, you try to do things in the right way. But people who work with you, maybe they are not responsible like you, so they may do things in a way that it may not be up to your expectation and you're not happy with what they are doing today, guys. And maybe that may be the reason you are asking them to move away, move out of the project, or whatever it may be. Some work related things, you want them to stay away from that work. Or maybe in your relationship, you never expected this person to be that way. Your expectations have gone wrong and you may speak few harsh words to them, guys, maybe. And you may have some doubts on this person, Capricorn. That may be the reason for your behavior. You are angry or you are stressed because you feel that they are not reliable and they cannot be trusted. And maybe there is someone, people are talking about this person to you, so some kind of gossips or rumors. So for some of you, these rumors are proving true, guys. So you don't know what to do and you're simply sad and you want to be away from this person. You don't want to have anything to do with them. So maybe this relationship is may not work for you, for some of you. But for some of you, there is someone trying to manipulate you, guys. So you must be careful. If you are making some important choices in this relationship, maybe you are thinking of being in this connection or not with this person based on the rumors you hear about this person. You must think with clarity, guys. Maybe for some of you, it may all be huge lies, guys. Maybe someone trying to manipulate you and break this connection. So you need to be really careful. You need to keep yourself clear, have a clear mind and think clearly before making those important choices. So someone is here to manipulate you, so you need to stay away from this person, Capricorn. So even in your career situation, guys, if there is someone telling you certain things, maybe they are tempting you suggesting some lucrative returns for some projects or some work related decisions you need to make. You need to be careful, guys, because this person is simply trying to deceive you in some ways, trying to make use of you, use of your position and the projects to achieve something for themselves. So you must be really careful with this person, guys. So your plans may not work out today, guys, Capricorn. So you need to be really careful if you are making important choices in your career. Also, you need to do it with clarity, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So we will keep this card aside. Please like and comment, guys, if you like this reading. So we will see what is the card, the first card for you all. It's Snow White and it says purity. I hope you can see the card here, guys. Yeah. So with this card, it just means that you are a very honest person, guys, pure soul. Maybe in your circumstances you have seen worse circumstances with people behaving in a bad way, people with evil intentions, but all that bad intentions or worse kind of behavior has not corrupted you at all, and your beautiful character nature is going to shine through this time, guys. Maybe you are in some difficult situation, people are trying to create a lot of obstacles or lot of stressful situation for you, guys. They are trying to create problems for you and they are jealous and they are rejecting you, and whatever is possible for them they are doing all that. But you are someone who is a pure soul, you are a good soul, and you are just smiling looking at your circumstances, and nothing is making an impact on you to change towards some negative things, like you don't want to retaliate to them in any way. So your kindness and your good nature, your pure heart is going to shine out today, guys, and this kindness and pure heart is what is giving you success today, guys. So whatever evil is upon you, it has not made it to your heart, and you are going to be triumphant today. You are going to win. Your good nature, your pure heart is going to win today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose the second card, it is Yin. So with this card, it just means that in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, it is the time for you to let the other person make the first move. So conscious allowing. So that is what this card means. Maybe letting the other person do what they need to do today, and you just need to wait and see where things are going. So in your relationship, you need to let the other person take the lead now. So your power lies in awareness that you are letting them do it, letting them, you're giving them the reins, yielding your reins. So you will find yourself effortlessly moving closer to what you truly desire, guys, what you truly want. So you need to let that other person tell you what they truly feel about you and who they can be to you, and letting their actions speak for themselves. So when you do that, you will be surprised, guys. It will be something which you love, but all you are doing is you are making that other person do it. So that way your dreams are going to manifest, and actions and what to say is flowing from the other person. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you are the person receiving whatever this other person is giving today, guys, to you. So that is what this card means. You just need to let that person give to you. Maybe not always we need to make the first move, we need to decide on certain things and do certain things. Sometimes we must let that other person make the move and take that action, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.